On the left. The yellow sweaters are on the left. In the middle. The maroon sweaters are in the middle. On the right. The black sweaters are on the right. Above. The red sweaters are above the blue sweaters. Below. The blue sweaters are below the red sweaters. In. The dark green sweater is in the box. In front of. The white sweater is in front of the brown sweaters. Behind. The brown sweaters are behind the white sweater. Next to. The purple sweater is next to the orange sweater. On. The orange sweater is on the gray sweater. Under. The gray sweater is under the orange sweater. Between. The green sweater is between the pink sweaters.